This year, we should tell all the females to be very, very careful. All the hoteliers in Nigeria, they're all cultists. They sell woman parts. I'm begging Nigerians and Nigerian government to make the police be on the alert. We are going to lose a lot of life. In Enugu, in Anambra, in Imo. The worst one is going to be in what? In Abuja. So we need to be careful. So it's not true. The weather is not palatable for VAR this year. We should be very careful. It was around hookup. When Atiku was there, Dino Melaye was helping to bring ladies for hookup. For all the generals and people, when presidents are coming to Nigeria, people are coming to, even in a war. They bring ladies everywhere. For Obasanjo, for Atiku, for even Atiku knew this when he was a custom in Lagos.
Sir, what do you have for Nigerians and what do you have for the members of Elisha all over the world? What advice are you giving us, sir, concerning VAR, sir?
It's not advice. What the Lord revealed about Valentine this year is very horrible, so bad. If the government can cancel it, it will be better in Nigeria. Because from love, we remove law. Then love and life. So when you look at now, there's bitterness everywhere. People are not, things around every creature in Nigeria is not friendly. You don't know what is the compound of your next neighbor. And you don't know what is when you're overtaking a truck on the highway, you don't know what they have inside the truck. If you're thinking it's petrol, it could be rice loaded from the north. It could be rice loaded from the port. So automatically everything is upside down. It's not the government, but the people has been terribly bastardized. All their hope are lost. Like the people in Benin, like the people in Ondo State, like the people who just newly have election. Their hope was not right. What they have in mind was not what they get. So automatically they're going to nurse the moon for another 4 years. And that doesn't concern the government or the governor on board. So going to your question, my brother, this year, we should tell all the females to be very, very careful. When you look at this freelance blogger, last Sunday after service, we got an interview where he was telling me that, I was telling him that Igbo learn a lot of things from Yoruba. Hausa learn a lot of things from Yoruba. But the only thing in the Igbo people, they are true diehards. They do everything for money. They can die for anything money. And they've seen some people dying before they didn't carry anything along. Psalm 49 is there. He said their plan was their house to remain for long. But death will come and just take us from the stage. So now, when it was 4 days later, the saga in Anambra happened. Yes, so in the hotel, they were just looking at grave everywhere and carcass of human being. All the hoteliers in Nigeria, they're all cultists. They sell human parts, the kidney and everything. Just for example, if they should tell you a rich man is on the list waiting for donor, nobody is going to donate. It's just like when we still have HIV in those days. People go to under bridge Oshodi, Mushin, Yaba, everywhere. Bring those boys in, getting blood from them, then pay them off. But those bloods are not They are not scrutinized. Then this is the time now again. The hookup and the VAR. Say the one that happened in Lagos. When some lady were coming from Abuja for hookup. How much are they going to pay them? They will use you. For somebody can tell you are sleeping a night with me, I will give you 500,000. What do you put inside your 2 legs? What do you keep there? What are you going to gain? What are you going to gain from this? What do you think they want to put into you? Then this is the problem. So please, I'm begging Nigerians and Nigerian government to make the police be on the alert, because VAL is not a good thing. Even the founder of VAL, and even what originated the name VAL, it's not a good thing. Take a lover out, man, he's going to do what? For what? If you love your wife, you love your husband, you eat good food every day. Why that one you want to go and eat a sniper, eat this and that, because you want to go and eat a Sheraton? Do you know what they prepare in the concoction they prepare for you? So, but the one of these here is tough. We are going to lose a lot of life. In Enugu, in Anambra, in Imo. The worst one is going to be in what? In Abuja. So we need to be careful. So it's not true. The weather is not palatable for VAR this year. We should be very careful. What happened in Ibadan? What happened everywhere? This trouble, we need to know how to handle it once and for all. So but everybody should keep his head low and do the needful and the right thing. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Yes, sir. When you were talking, you mentioned something about the hookup, sir. Yes. And I felt like, because I've heard a lot of people saying it is the level of what the government is doing is because the level of job is very low. And that is why we see a lot of our female doing hookups, sir. Sir, what do you think, or how do you think the government can try to reduce or stop these things? Because it's getting too much, sir.
The government cannot do anything. All the graduates during the time of Babangida, where are they? Those that graduated from University of Benin, University of Aba, University of Oyo, Ahmadu Bello University, University of Ibadan. Where is the factory? They just go under the rain. Then again, is it Tinubu regime then? No. Where we have surplus during the time of Moritala and everything. When you look at the wife of Moritala and Obasanjo and Abiola, it was around hookup. When Atiku was there, Dino Melaye was helping to bring ladies for hookup. For all the generals and people, when presidents are coming to Nigeria, people are coming to, even in our war. They bring ladies everywhere. For Obasanjo, for Atiku, for even Atiku knew this when he was a custom in Lagos. So that's not how government can stop hookup. Dunlop has left. Nigeria is about dying. Then all the companies are closing up. PZ and everything. But now, this government is trying to make sure they come back. He wants them to come back. If they are Jakarta, then the oil refinery, everything, people guarding the pipeline, you pay them. People driving the tracker, you pay them. Even in abroad, graduates are bus drivers. So they don't disrespect, because when their father is giving back to them, is it the government that has their father to impregnate their mother? No. So you must be able to prepare for your family. 1 Timothy 5:10. Then 1 Timothy 6. Then 1 Timothy 4. Then when you look at some Exodus 1, 6, 7, 8, Exodus 2, and Exodus 5. Then Exodus 10, from verse 15 to the end. Then Exodus 14. When they were leaving, not everybody believed Moses. Not everybody believed Moses that miracle can come. But this time around, Tinubu will try his best. Because he's giving it to the youth. Even the youth are more dangerous than the olds. We have Tambuao. We have this man in Arise television, Abati. Abati was in government before with Good Lord Jonathan. But he never come home with anything. They made Jibankole. These are all youth before now. But there's nothing they can do. It's just to amass, to grab money and put it in their pocket so that people can come and be paying obeisance, prostrating before them, Akadede, you are welcome, sir. Baba Lowoloy, where's his factory? So there's nothing government can do about hookup. Because not everybody vote for Ayudatiwa. Not everybody vote for Dakwa Abiodun. Not everybody vote for Sanwo-Olu. They know how they work out their mathematics. Then how can you share even the baby inside your womb for dog to have 9 puppies? 3 out of the puppies are going to be what? Are going to have a malnutrition problem because they cannot get it all. So what we need to do is for we to come out and be setting up little scale business. The only solution is still the agric. And all these young boys they don't want to do agric. They should make agricultural compulsory in the primary, secondary, and university. Then for the security of the country too, they should give it an open pass to recruit police, soldier, city police, highway patrol, everything. Then people will be getting little salary for themselves.
Okay, sir.
So that is it.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.